floods. Famous things in Sheffield like Hillsbrough Stadium, Hillsbrough College, and all the roads in Sheffield got heavily flooded.
It all resulted in the River Don overflowing, causing lots of properties to get destroyed, such as 6 billion houses got destroyed and ruined, and there was 2 deaths.
What was it?
Go.
There were 2 people killed that we know about.
You start that?
I started it.
There were 2 people killed by the floods that we know of, and the police got stuck in the floods because it was so heavy.
Go.
Right, this Wicker got flooded, and then the Bronze Command got stuck, so they called up the Silver Command.
Command transport affected, and all they had to call in temporary accommodation for people who couldn't make it to their destination where they were willing to go because of the floods. And they had to do flood water shelters, so for where people whose houses were destroyed during all the flood, that they could go.
Command, there's other organisations included like the council. The Gold Command also had to get all of the public services together because the M1